Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is day 3 of our React 30 days 0 to hero series, and today we will be discussing about the folder structure of our React project. So let's get started. So first thing what we see in our project is first node modules. Of course, in any JavaScript project you will see this node modules folder. So this folder has all the dependencies, like whichever library you are installing in your project, those will be installed in this node modules folder. The second is public folder, index.html file, then our assets like project's logo, images, icons, videos, etc. will be stored in this public folder. Then there is src folder. This is the main heart of our React project. So everything related to your coding will be stored in this src folder. So we will be creating lots of folders inside that, like component, pages, etc. But know one thing, whatever we code in our React project will be stored in our src directory. Then there is a git ignore file. This file tells what to push and what not to push on Git repository. Then we have package.json file. This file has a reference to all the dependencies, their versions, etc. and the interdependency of the libraries, whichever required in our project. The main file of any JavaScript application is package.json file. So this file has the main information about our project, the name of the project, then version of our project, then the dependencies which are required to run our project. Like in our case, the main dependency is React, then React DOM, React scripts, web vitals, then the testing dependencies, etc. Also we have the scripts which are required to run our project, like start, building, testing, etc. And the last file is readme file. This file is auto-generated and provides information about our project, like how to run our project by using npm start command, how to test our project, how to build, etc. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.